Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to contact Facebook customer service using your computer. If you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for facebook.com/help slash paste then your issue. Okay, so for example, hacked account, suspended account. Okay, so I'm just gonna put suspended account. So I'm just gonna go ahead and type that again. Why is it saying like that? So let's try first opening Google and then just gonna type it here like that. So the first thing you should do is to open Google and search for and type this, okay? Facebook.com/help/ your account issue. Okay. So now you can just go ahead and find the link that work for your account. Okay. So that's it. So for example, this one. So just go ahead and open that. So you can just simply follow their steps. And that's it. That is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.